So that was it. So we've got item 1, which is this one, item 2, which is this one, item 3, which is this one, item 4, which is the bush, that one, item 5, which is the shaft, which is this one, item 6, there it is, then item 7, the pin, there it is, can just indicate with a dot, even there with a dot, you understand. And then item 8, which is the nut. So thank you very much guys for watching this video. It will be uploaded there by our YouTube channel, eTutors Digital School, so you can still catch it later there by our YouTube channel. You just search eTutors School. My mind is tired. eTutors Digital School. This one is our YouTube channel guys. YouTube channel, you search eTutors Digital. My mind is tired. I had a very long day. Digital School. So you'll find this video there, so you can tune in there. So to all of those ones who are writing tomorrow, I'd like to say good luck guys for tomorrow. Good luck for tomorrow. This topic, it will be there, like it or not, it will be there. Yeah, I'm very tired. I'm even lazy to talk. Thanks for the lessons. Yeah, I tried. I actually forced myself. So that was it. Guys. So this one, it was the one for YouTube, this one. So I can